Bawa mata. Terus. Wih.
Sumpah lah, pasrah.
Ya Allah, seperut anjir.
Aku jalan dari sini 7 menit loh, dari depan gitu ke sini.
Dari sana.
Ya.
The Japan Meteorological Agency has issued a heavy snow warning for Ishikawa Prefecture and several other regions. A powerful cold front is sweeping through the Chubu area, causing dangerous driving conditions and prompting authorities to urge extreme caution on the roads. This morning alone, parts of the prefecture, including Chubu, Joetsu, and Nagaoka City, saw a staggering 32 centimeters of snow in just 6 hours, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Experts are now warning that the snowfall will continue intensifying, even in low-lying areas. If you're in Chubu, be extra vigilant. Hazardous road conditions are expected to persist through the 24th. According to the Niigata Regional Meteorological Observatory, the worst-hit areas so far include Moka City with 32 centimeters of snowfall, Kashiwazaki City with 18 centimeters, Nagaoka City with 13 centimeters, and Shimonoseki Town with 10 centimeters. Heavy snow warnings are now in place for Nagaoka City, Maebashi City, Mitsuke City, and Isesaki City. Snow depths as of 10 a.m. paint an even graver picture. Minamiwanama City has recorded an astonishing 3.58 meters of accumulated snow, with Tsunan Town close behind at 3.57 meters. Tokamachi City has seen 2.74 meters, Yuzawa Town 2.68 meters, Joetsu City 1.5 meters, and Nagaoka City 1.2 meters. And with a powerful cold front continuing to move in, snowfall is expected to keep building through the day and into the next. Now, let's look at what's coming in the next 24 hours. Forecasts predict 40 centimeters of fresh snowfall in Chubu, 30 centimeters in Joetsu, and 20 centimeters in Kanto. The mountains will take an even bigger hit. Expect up to 70 centimeters in Chubu, 50 centimeters in Joetsu, 30 centimeters in Kanto, and at least 10 centimeters in other regions. And it won't end there. The following 24 hours, leading up to 6 a.m. on the 24th, will bring more heavy snowfall. Authorities are urging all residents in the Chubu region to prepare for significant disruptions, especially in transportation. If you're driving, winter tires are a must, and larger vehicles should be fitted with chains immediately. In Moka City, where snowfall has been relentless, locals are working tirelessly to keep up with the accumulation. One elderly resident in his 70s shared his thoughts, saying, "I haven't seen this much snow in a long time. 30 centimeters overnight is no joke." An 80-year-old woman added, "I usually shovel once a day, but today, I've already had to go out twice. Shoveling is no small task, especially for older residents, so take it slow and stay safe." Meanwhile, travel disruptions are piling up. On the Hokuriku Expressway, conditions took a turn for the worse near the Nagaoka interchange, where heavy snowfall caused visibility to plummet and traffic to slow to a crawl, at times, even coming to a complete stop. Electronic signs flashed warnings about major traffic jams and accidents. Public transportation has also taken a hit. Snow services on the Joetsu line between AGA Station and Minami Station in Gunma Prefecture have been suspended until the 24th. Likewise, operations on the Aizu line between Aizu Kawaguchi Station and Aizu Nozawa Station in Fukushima Prefecture, as well as on the Tadami line between Tadami Station and Aizu Kawaguchi Station, are halted due to the ongoing blizzard. And if you rely on the U line in Akita Prefecture, be aware that service between Akita Station and Minami Odet Station will be suspended until at least 4:30 p.m. on the 24th. In maritime travel, authorities have announced that some high-speed jet ferry services between Niigata Port and Ryotsu Port will be cancelled on the 23rd for essential ship inspections. So, what does all this mean for you? This isn't just another weather update. This is a serious warning. The heavy snow we're seeing is breaking records, and the situation is rapidly evolving. If you're in one of the affected regions, stay indoors whenever possible. Check your local forecasts frequently, keep your vehicles properly equipped for winter conditions, and be mindful of your surroundings if you must travel. And if you think this storm is bad, wait until you see what's happening in Los Angeles. Streets are vanishing, homes are sinking, California is drowning. You won't believe the footage I uncovered. Watch it now before it's too late.
Just water.